celebrating happiness.
Be happy.
Let's celebrate happiness today.
Why?
Because today it's the International Day of Happiness.
As
And
if you are not happy yesterday.
yes, I was. But what is your point?
Then why are you celebrating today?
Because it's a day to be happy. And
I don't want to celebrate.
United Nations is celebrating this day on 20th March since 2013 to acknowledge importance of happiness all around the world. This resolution was initiated by, can you guess the country? Yes, it's Bhutan. The country with goal to maximize gross national happiness instead of just to boost economic growth. What is gross national happiness? Oh, I'm celebrating happiness. Good. Gross national happiness is an index to measure the collective happiness and well-being of a population. And Bhutan, the country which recognizes the value of national happiness over national income. Every citizen of Bhutan has access to free education and free medical care. In Bhutan, 70% land is covered with protected forest. It is a carbon negative country and happiness is their national goal. Impressive. But how exactly can we celebrate this day? It is not only just being happy. It is a responsibility to be happy and to work together to make each individual happy on this planet. In 2015, United Nations launched the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, which has three main aspects: end poverty, reduce inequality, protect our planet. These all problems and their solutions go hand in hand. There is still 10% population of the world in extreme poverty. COVID-19 pandemic has increased this percentage. Poverty results inequality. And on top of it, we have inequality based on income, gender, age, disability, sexual orientation, race, ethnicity, religion, and many more. This affects long-term social and economic development, and this in turn increases poverty, crime, diseases, and environmental degradation. We all know climate crisis is happening now. We have to focus on renewable energy. We need to stop deforestation. We need to think about what we eat and how we produce it. We have to act on it here and now. Clock is ticking. But to overcome on these problems, we need to act together. We need a contribution from each individual human on this planet. But to include everyone and use their potential, we need everyone on equal platform. And to achieve this, we need to ensure that within countries, society's growth should be inclusive of everyone. Among countries, we need to ensure that developing countries are better represented in decision making on global issues so that solutions can be more effective, credible, and accountable. I am feeling so overwhelmed. Nelson Mandela had once said, "It always seems impossible until it's done." We can achieve these goals if we all work together. Be happy and spread the happiness.
Yes, she is right. Be happy.
Yes, happy International Day of Happiness to you all. Take care. See you soon.